Thutha wa mehariria matiganite ukorwo makigathikwo mathukuru-ini toria Wanjiru wa Flora tutariria. Ikoretwo iri mieri mugwanja ya wetereri-ini ya gutabania mathomo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria kuri arutwo a university na colleges itiganite guku bururi-ini, makiria muno aria marari mwaka wa mwisho na aria matigarite ihinda inini tu marikia mathomo mao mbere ya murimu wa COVID-19 gututhuka. Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha ni ugite thukuru ici cigukorwo cigicokereria na matena. Mwandiki mukaru ministry ino ya Githomo akiuga thukuru nyingi ni ihingitie mawatho maria mendekithitio ni ministry na ministry ugima wa mwiri, indi no maguthie na mbere na kumurika uria mathomo marathie na mbere.
This should actually give hope to our children who are still at home that the government has decided to start reopening in phases.
University ni ya Nairobi Vice Chancellor Kiama Gitahi augite ni mambiriirie mihango ya kwamukira arutwo, indi makiuga igutafanio na itena kuringana na kothi iria murutwo araika.
Even that not everything can be done virtually. The announcement by the ministry that now we are free to bring students on board was a very positive thing. And the first thing we did was to ensure that the medical students, the 6th years, are on site. And they are already here attending their classes, which is very good. Because, you know, for medical training, you need to touch the body. You need to see a sick person. Not only on photos and all that, but a real one, and you treat, and you see the person recovering.
Kaunti ni ya Nakuru, arutwo thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Rift Valley Institute for Business Studies ni majiriirie gucokereria thukuru-ini, na kuringana na mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu Peter Kamau ni marire uria arutwo a kothi ici citiganite megukorwo magicokereria itemi-ini ria kuhurana na muhatikano wa arutwo thukuru-ini ino.
Muthenya wa umuthi kwina aria mari mekekeranio mweri wa gatatu na mweri wa mugwanja, acio nio maracoka umuthi nigetha meharirie na mahote kuingira kirathi kwambiriria wiki ino turorete. Wiki ino turorete aria mekaga kianio kia mweri wa 3 nio makambia gwika kigeranio kiao, na wacio angi mageka kianio kiao January, koguo ni moka meharirie. Muthenya wa rucio ni tugakorwo na aria mekaga technical courses ta engineering, cosmetology, uguo ni uhoro wa njuiri no thaka, kwina aria merutaga uhoro wa gutuma nguo, aria merutaga uhoro wa guthondeka keki, aria merutaga uhoro wa kuruga, acio nao magacokereria rucio.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, college-ini ya Nyandarua Institute of Science and Technology, munini wa mwarimu munene thukuru-ini uyu augite arutwo ni macokereirie indi no anini tu magithie na mbere na kuhinyiriria aciari gwitikiria ciana ciao gucokereria, kuona ni mehaririirie kuigana kuria na kuo thukuru-ini wa college wa Embu maugite ni megutigirira ni marumirira mawatho maria mendekithitio.
Arutani itu othe ona arutia wira othe ni twambia tukimathomithia tunyitanire na ministry ya ugima mwega wa mwiri kuma Njororoko Nyandarua West sub county, na tugicoka ni matutariria tuguthondeka thibitari itu nigetha gie na handu tungiiga mundu agituika ena symptoms cia COVID-19.
Technical University of Mombasa onayo ni yambiriirie kwamukira arutwo kuria matanyitwo gukambiriria kigeranio muthenya wa rucio.
So far we are confident. The two institutions have managed to fulfill most of the requirements. For Pwani, they've done well, excellent. They are ready, and we are happy. Of course, we at Shanzu, we've gone round. There are a little bit of few things that needs to be done. We've already shared with the principal. He's happy to get that feedback and is ready to work on the same this afternoon.
Girifotera Kameme TV retorokani Wanjiru wa Forum. Na warimi makiria ma 500 mene tiganite guku bururi-ini matigitwo magitara faita thutha wa kuhimbiria urimi wa kimerera itacokia riria riukite thutha wa guthomithio ciĩgiĩ urimi ucio. Mwandiki witu wa Mohoro Mwiruri wa Kang'ara ni acereire umwe wa arimi acio na gutuhariria riboti ino na njĩra ndikiru.
Itura-ini ria Vicoi gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Rongai kaunti-ini ya Nakuru turacera mucii gwa Stella Njoroge uria ngumo yake tambitio ta ya ndegwa ndui thutha wake kuhimbiria urimi wa kimerera.
We are pig farmers. We said doing pig farming for some time. Then at one point our pigs had an issue. There was a virus called parvovirus that attacked our pigs, and that's where we thought of doing crop farming also.
Stella wa ukuru wa miaka 55 akoretwo agikuria mithemba itiganite ya irio atekuhuthira bataraitha yothe ya kugura nduka-ini na uguo ndakoretwo akigithia mbeca nyingi urimine wake.
What we get from the pigs, the manure, goes through the biodigester. We get organic fertilizer for our vegetables. We also use vermiliquid as a biofertilizer. We have worms, and the worms give us fertilizer.
Ni ahotete kwandika aruti a wira 5 uma muiganu ati ni akoretwo akiandikithia baita nene agitutariria ati ona ndahotete kuhunia thoko ya indo iria ikuritio na njira cia kimerera.
Women, make the right choice for your families. One way of loving your family is giving them organic food.
Uyu no umwe gatagati-ini ka arimi makiria ma 500 kuma miena itiganite guku bururi-ini aria magunekete na mathomo megimaine na urimi wa kimerera kuma kuri honge itiganite.
Hata tukipeleka sokoni wale wananunua hizi zetu hawanunui hizi zingine za hizi loko, wanapenda hii ya organic.
Kuringana na ataaramu hari bata wa Kenya kuhimbiria urimi uyu uria wina moguni kiondorita amu aria manauhimbiria gutire hindi mari merira na ni mahotete kugacirithia miturire yao.
Organic food is a way to go. To avoid so many diseases that are coming along, we'll have to eat organic food.
The uptake of organic food has increased because people think that this food is safe.
Urimi wa kimerera ni undu uteithagiriria hari guthaitira maria maturigiceirie na oho ni uhotithagia arimi guthondeka baita hatari kwigumira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jetagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.
Thegio Muiruri wa Kang'ara ni undu wa riboti ona kwa ihinda riri cihandite wega thaa 3 tukitie ndagika 45 twitikirie twambe tuhumukio hanini tu ni turacokereria.